Hi there, how are you? Today we are doing the dance Kingdom Come. The 80 cards to World Intermediate. This is when we start happens in Wall Street after count 16. This is 12 o'clock. Now the dance. First section, raising the left to start with the right. Forward, half turn, forward shuffle. Back half, quarter side, quarter side, hold 8. This section, together, cross, side, behind, quarter. Forward, each. Coaster step, next section, rock, recover, shuffle, half, walk, walk, anchor step, next section, back swerve, back rock, hop left knee, recover, turn quarter side, touch besides right, next section, step down, quarter side, hold 2, make 1 quarter, step down, touch besides right, hold 4, step down, touch besides left, hold 6, step down to 1 quarter, quarter side, hold 8. Next section, together, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle. Next section, side hold, together, side rock, cross hold, side behind, side. Next section, cross recover, shuffle quarter, forward, half turn, forward shuffle. Next section, forward swerve, trespass, cross, back, side, cross. Last section, side to shake, back, rock, side to shake, back, rock. Now the count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, hold 6, and 7, hold 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. This one will start happens in Wall Street after count 16. Now Wall Street. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then restart. And there is an ending in Wall 6. After count 32, touch next to right, and then step forward 1 quarter, quarter side for ending. So this is the whole dance. Hope you like it, and we'll see you next time.